Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are fine. It's me, your English teacher. We have already read in last lecture genders. Now today's our topic is synonyms. So first of all, you ready your page December 4, 20, and in the mid you have to write classwork, and in the last you have to write day Friday. After that you have to write GL, respect your elders. What is GL today? Respect your elders. And our topic is related to grammar, synonyms. What is synonyms? A synonym is a word or phrase that has exact or nearly the same meaning of another word or phrase in the same language. For example, synonym for sad is gloomy. Synonym for gloomy is sad. Now you people ready your page and we will write synonym of these words. Begin, start, round, circular, enjoyment, fun, healthy, strong, excellent, good, sincere, honest, huge, big, trust, believe, beautiful, lovely, fall, drop, occur, happen, shut, close, stranger, outsider, garbage, trash, listen, hear. Now again we repeat. Begin, start, round, circular, enjoyment, fun, healthy, strong, excellent, good, sincere, honest, huge, big, trust, believe, beautiful, lovely, fall, drop, occur, happen, shut, close, stranger, outsider, garbage, trash, listen, hear. Hope you all understood today's lecture. After that you have to note down your diary on work page number 46 and 47 on book. Thanks.